Troubleshooting an LG dryer that will not open. If your LG dryer door will not open, there are a couple of troubleshooting steps you can try that may save you time on a call and a technician's visit. There is a chance that the door may be misaligned. If the dryer is brand new, examine it for damage. Check if the door is bent, or if there is damage to the frame of the unit. If you see damage, please call the dealer for further assistance. If there is no dent or damage, then try resetting the dryer. Unplug it from the power outlet or trip the circuit breaker. Wait 5 seconds and then plug the unit back in. Now try to open the door. Do you see an error code on the display? If the dryer door still does not open and there is no error code displayed, then the unit will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.